Good morning, friends and fellow traders. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options, coming to you with your morning market preparation video on this last trading day of 2017, 12/29/17. Well, folks, we're winding her down for the year, and I know for most people, they tend to reflect on the year past, and that is obviously important to do, particularly as a trader, to identify past weaknesses and things like that. But I tend to focus on the year ahead. I want to focus on the things that I can do to improve as a trader, to improve as an individual, to move forward and grow my trading business. So remember, your future is not written. No matter how 2017 turned out for you, winner, loser, however that came out, in your trading account, tomorrow is a different day. Next year, your future is not written. So choose to decide to make those changes that will help you improve as a trader. Do whatever it takes. If we're going to move forward as people, we have to embrace change. Most people don't like change. I understand that. But to improve as individuals, we have to embrace that change. We have to step up. We need to fess up to our current issues, problems, troubles and habits that we have, and be willing to change. And if you are willing to do that, you will see a better 2018 than you saw in 2017 with that hard work, focus, and dedication to your trading business. So with that, I just wanted to, encourage everyone that you can be a better trader no matter how this year turned out. But please don't be that person that continues to do the same things over and over, expecting different results. Decide, make that decision today that you're going to improve, whatever that means for you, whatever that takes to move you forward, to reach out for that brass ring that we all want, and that trading success that we're all trying to achieve. Go get it. Trust me. Every single year, no matter how my year's been, and by the way, this has just been a phenomenal year. No matter how your year has been, look for ways to improve. Look for ways to change. And that's what I focus on as I move forward. I don't try to predict. Too many people get involved in trying to predict what comes next. No, just work every day to improve yourself as a trader. And what comes next is going to happen no matter what. There's nothing we can do about it. We can't see the future. We're never going to be able to see the future. But if we focus on our past hang-ups, issues, problems that cost us money, cost us time, cost us that success that we're looking for, as we look forward, we can drive to a better future in our trading. And it doesn't have to be absolute sweeping changes. Normally, fixing things are small tweaks. So look for those small things that you can improve on. And I know it's never fun to look inward. It's never fun to look at our own personal issues or hang-ups that might be holding us back. But if you do, trust me, you'll see better results next year. So with that little comment here, let's take a look at the market. Diamonds, nice and positive here. No sell-off. I know a lot of people are just absolutely sure that the market is so overextended it must necessarily fall here soon. But I got to tell you, when you look at this price pattern here, there's no evidence of that. There's no fear in this market. There's really no sellers. So could it happen? Absolutely, it could happen. We could sell off, but it hasn't started yet. And so for that, we have to stay to the bullish side of this market. The market wants to be bullish into the end of this year. Currently, futures on the Dow are up about 70 points. So we're gapping up to new record high prints here on the diamonds. And who knows, we could easily attack that 25,000 mark. So we'll wait and see. I'm not going to assume we're going to run for 25,000. But what I do want to do is just recognize that this market is still bullish. There's no sellers here. So stay with them, stay with the trend, stay with the market, and work those positions as you see fit, heading into this year end. For me, I plan to do more going into this long weekend. I don't plan to be adding any risk. I want to be reducing risk, collecting profits, that kind of thing. And I'll look at, 2018 when it gets here and start working every single day to move that needle forward in our accounts. So take a look at the SPY here. SPY also very bullish, very positive, and you can see also gapping up to possibly a new record high print this morning. The Qs showed a little bit of weakness yesterday. More of a rest, I guess I should say. Nothing bad here at all, just more of a rest. And as you can see, it's looking to gap up this morning as well, kind of following along with the market. So all is well here. And IWM actually has a really nice pattern here. If this was not, the last trading day of the year and a low volume day likely, this would be something I would be looking to buy. We've held support and buyers stepping in, and now we're pushing up this morning. That's a positive sign here for IWM. And if we change the trajectory here of this little trend I've drawn on here, we're right in place where that could occur. So watch that carefully. Who knows? 2018 could be as great as 2017. Don't assume that it won't be. Anything is possible in the market. If we take a look at the VIX, the VIX is showing us absolutely no fear here in this market. There's no reason for concern whatsoever. So now, having said that, there's lots of very, very good charts out there. Lots of them, really good looking charts. But I don't feel the need to rush into a long weekend, holiday weekend, for trading. But if you do, let me just suggest that you consider trading a smaller than normal position, just in case there's something ugly that happens over this long weekend, so that you're not caught being too long or too directional in one direction, on a long weekend. There's always going to be plenty of time to find new trades and enter new positions. We don't have to chase into this market. They will always provide another opportunity. So with that, on the economic calendar, we really have nothing going on today. A couple bond announcements or bond settlements, and we've got the rig count out there, but really there's nothing going on here. Expect the volume of the market to really drop off quickly today. Traders will be heading out for their holiday. It's Friday. It's getaway day. Everybody is going to be taking off early and preparing for their holiday celebrations for this long weekend. Also, on the earnings front, there's only 8 companies on here and for earnings, and they're all unconfirmed. Whether they're going to report or not. So I don't see anything in here. Really the only notable that I see on the list is Rick's Hospitality here. It's on the list. It's supposed to report after the market closes today. That seems kind of unlikely to me, after the market close on the last trading day of the year. But and it is unconfirmed. But that would be probably the most notable of earnings today. Other than that, not much else going on. So, hey, folks, thank you for all your support of these videos and wonderful comments and things that you have passed on this year. I really want to say thank you for that. I truly appreciate it. I'm very humbled by your support of these videos. And, if this is the first time you've seen them, click that subscribe button, click the follow me button on YouTube, or Facebook. And, feel free to share this video with any friends and family that you feel could benefit from this information. I believe in preparation. So there's not a better time than right now to start preparing for next year, to be prepared for next year and make it the best year ever. So folks, with that, I want to wish you great success, great profits. Have a safe and happy new year. And I will talk to you all very, very soon in 2018. Take care now.